Python is as simple as the English language. Python has a syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines. Python runs on an interpreted system, which means that the code can be executed as it is written. Python's interpreted nature facilitates platform independence. Python is a general-purpose language, which means that it can be used to create a wide variety of different programs and is not specialized for any specific problem. Python is a high-level programming language, interactive, object-oriented, scripting language suitable for general tasks. Python is a dynamically typed language. Python is efficient and reliable, allowing developers to build powerful applications with minimal effort. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python is often used to build software and websites, automate tasks, and perform data analysis. With the help of Python, you can also create games and any kind of search engine. Its extensive standard library and thriving community enable rapid development and access to numerous third-party packages. Overall, Python's popularity and ease of use make it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. It is sometimes also known as the hacker language because this language is the easiest and requires very little code to be written. So it is the first choice of hackers. In short, Python is a programming language that is very simple, high-level, object-oriented and open source, as well as provides many other advantages. Python coding is very easy to read and write and it can be easily used in many fields.